Captain Wade's the best.
All right, get it in, buddy. Come on. What is it?
What do you got, Jack?
Lift up.
What is it, Jack?
Nice trout. One of how many, guys?
I don't know, 8?
Huge.
8
That's
big ones.
8 big ones?
that right there is most likely the 6th one over 20 in this one spot.
Sideways. Another big trout. Oh. Look at that one, Jack. It's huge. Oh. Oh man. My arm's burning. Oh. There he is. Here he comes.
Oh my god, that thing is huge.
Yeah, look at that, Jack. Oh yeah.
That's sick.
Oh yeah. Nice. Spitting out bait right out there. There is another one.
So how's the trout
Another big
fishing?
one. Trout fishing's great. Come on down. Book with Captain Wade. What do you got,
All right,
Tanya?
another big trout.
Right. Oh, nice one.
Unbelievable.
Nice one.
That is a monster. All right, watch the trolling motor. Go forward, over.
Oh, he's
Oh! Oh! 30-inch trout. What do you think of that?
Oh, it was great while it lasted.
What do we have now? Another big trout?
Oh, a redfish. Oh my gosh. Seriously.
Oh, pull him in, Tanya.
He's too heavy. Well, I can see him though.
Strong, huh?
Yeah.
Watch him under the boat. There you go, get your rod. There you go. Pull him out.
Nice.
Oh man, that's nice.
Nice one.
How'd you like reeling in that redfish?
I loved it. It was awesome.